Hi, how you going? So I've been making weekly YouTube videos for about 18 months now. I've uploaded almost 100 videos, got about 80,000 views, and I've learnt a few things. So here's a non-exhaustive list of about 30 things that I've learnt while making a weekly YouTube video. Number one, the first thing is that no one cares, and they probably won't watch. In fact, less people will watch than you think. I've learnt that if 10% of people who see your video watch it, that's a really good number. And number two, in contrast to the first, is that everybody cares and people you don't know will watch your videos and comment and engage. And there's something really cool about that. Okay, video quality matters, but it doesn't matter that much. But audio quality, that's what matters. The volume, the quality of the recording, your song choice, your song volume, all of that stuff matters. I've never had a comment from anyone about the quality of my video, but I regularly get comments about the audio, about my music choice, and about the volume of the music. I bought this wireless mic. It was very reasonably priced, and that made all the difference to capturing good quality audio. Link in the description. Number four, film everything. Take your camera with you wherever you're going, get it out, and just film stuff. Sometimes that footage might be really useful if you need a video for that week. Number five, carrying a camera with me is the best way to shoot stuff and to make videos. I have my phone with me at all times, which has a very good camera on it, but there's something about having an actual camera with me that makes me take it out and shoot and make videos. Number six, pointing the camera at yourself outside will never not feel awkward. Number seven, people are interested. If something interests you, then there's a fair chance it's going to interest other people as well. Number eight, people are also not interested. I had someone comment on one of my videos, why? And 10,000 people had watched that one, so he may not have got it, but other people did. So I just replied to his comment, why not? Number nine, you can just delete the mean comments. Most of the feedback I get is really nice and constructive, but some of it is just mean and regularly wrong. So I let myself just delete those and move on with my day. Number 10, there are videos that you think will do well that don't, and vice versa. I've had videos that I'm really proud of that didn't do well at all, and videos that I've just thrown up to get something up that week do really well. So I think what I'm saying is you're not necessarily the best judge of your own work. Number 11, by putting up a video on a topic, you are holding yourself out as an expert in that topic, whether you like it or not. I'm definitely not an expert on cameras, but whenever I put up a camera video, people will ask me questions, even though there's tons of people on YouTube who are better placed to answer those questions. It's nice to be asked though. Number 12, YouTube is about skill, but it's also about luck. The right video on the right day might just blow up. Number 13, do it and you will do it. Waiting for the right moment just delays everything. Getting started is the best way to get started, and making more videos is the best way to make more videos. You don't have to wait for an opportunity. You can create the opportunity and just go out there and make something. Number 14, this is linked to the last one. The best way to get better at something is to just do it. I wasn't great speaking to camera to begin with. I did it more and I'm getting better at it. It's still not easy, but definitely getting better at it. Number 15, write down all the ideas that you have. I have an ever-expanding Notion page with all of my ideas on it, more videos than I could ever make. But a notes app or even a physical notebook will work. And write down the idea quickly, because if you don't, ideas just disappear. Number 16, you are not waiting to get the right gear to upload. I took too long to start uploading because I was waiting for the right gear or the right idea or the right time or the right whatever. And it turns out when I started uploading, I had what I needed to make videos. And need in this sense is not a Maslow's hierarchy type need. It's a sort of good to have type need. And as you make videos, it becomes obvious what you need to sort of take the next step. Number 17, you only get better if you actively get better. It's really easy to just make the same quality video every single week, week in, week out. I'm sometimes guilty of this. I just put out the same video, but if I actively work on my editing, my filming, my shooting, my framing, my YouTube skills, then I notice that my videos get better, more people watch and more people engage with them. Number 18, watching other people's YouTube videos is a great way to get inspiration. I watch a lot of YouTube and it helps me develop my ideas, it gives me inspiration, but it also helps me work on the skills that I'm lacking, my editing, my filming, just make everything a little bit better. Number 19, sometimes you just have to upload something, anything. For me, it's better to keep the schedule and the weekly uploads and the routine than it is to miss a week here and there and possibly miss more than that. And sometimes those videos that I've just uploaded to get something up there are the ones that have done really well and people have connected with. Number 20, old footage can be valuable. Dig through your old hard drives, your old memory cards, even old tapes. What you find could be good inspiration, or it could be entire videos. Number 21, it's fun, but it's also sometimes stressful. Getting a weekly video out can be tough sometimes, but other weeks it's no problem. Number 22, making videos is hard, but it's also easy. It's easy to make something, and it's hard to make something really, really good. Number 23, it takes a lot of time. The shooting, the editing, the ideas, the script writing, all of that stuff. But I enjoy all of those. I enjoy taking an idea and developing it into a script and shooting it and then taking those individual clips and editing them into a finished product. There's something really cool about just creating something from nothing. Number 24, I probably won't get monetized anytime soon, but that's okay because I'm having a lot of fun making these weekly YouTube videos. Number 25, it doesn't matter what I look like on video. I may not like it, but no one's ever commented on it, and I hate it less than I used to. Number 26, it's easier to get people to watch your videos than it is to get people to subscribe to your channel. There's a reason that YouTube has always asked people to like and subscribe. I've had videos that have got over 10,000 views, but that doesn't always convert to subscriptions. Number 27, thumbnails are a lot more important than I originally thought. The best video with an average thumbnail isn't going to get the clicks and it isn't going to get the views you think you deserve. It's not enough to just grab a still, throw a title on it and throw it up there. You have to actually craft something that gives people something to click on and gives them an idea of what they're going to get and just draws the eye in. I found that using Canva is really good. You can just throw all the elements you want on there, organize them into something that looks really cool. Number 28, I have to make time to make stuff. Otherwise life gets in the way and I'm scrambling trying to get a video out that week. Number 29, I care more about the numbers than I thought I would. Every week when my video goes live, I'm checking the views, the retention, the analytics, everything. And I didn't think I'd be like that, but it is nice to see people watching and viewing and engaging, and it means you're doing something right when the numbers go up. And number 30, it gets me out doing stuff. I've ended up on adventures that I wouldn't have otherwise have gone on because I wanted to get out and film something. That is my list of 30 things that I've learnt from making weekly YouTube videos. Let me know what you think of these or if you think there's anything that I've missed out. Otherwise, I'll see you next week. Bye.